Realme Buds Air 5 Pro will launch soon in UK. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's take a look at the new headphones. The Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. This is the latest and the most advanced model in this series, boasting some of the most impressive features available in the market. You will find the headphone sets which have been customized separately and look cute and adorable. The price of this headphone justifies the premium texture and the quality they offer. And the Realme logo on them adds to their beauty. However, the smooth surfaces might need frequently wiping to maintain their shine. The headphone itself has a high gloss design with an in-ear style and oval ear cups. The position of the ear shank is also cylindrical, which adds a nice decorative touch. Overall, it's simple and elegant design that looks really beautiful from the outside. When you hear the headphone, you will notice the effective noise cancellation feature, which helps to block the outer surround sound. The appearance of the headphone changes slightly when worn, and the in-ear design ensures a stable and comfortable fit. But it's not just about the hardware, the software connectivity has also been improved. The new Realme Link app has a more international style and offers a various adjustments. The app also supports the connectivity with the smart home products, making it even more versatile. The test version of the app provides a wide range of options for customization. You can adjust the power setting, noise reduction and transparency level. Moreover, you can choose different sound effect or even analyze your ear canal, hearing characteristics for a better audio experience. One exciting feature is a new 360-degree surround sound effect, which creates an immersive experience from all directions. If we talk about the hardware, the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro earbuds could come with support for Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity as well as the audio codecs like AAC, SBC and LDAC. Additionally, the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro earphone could feature a 40 ms low latency mode for gaming. It could offer the IPX5 rating for water and dust resistance. It is likely to be equipped with the drivers and 11mm woofer, 6mm microplane tweeter. Overall, this headphone offers a great combination of hardware and software features to enhance your listening experience. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.